I'm Sarwan Kumar. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of MaxQ. MaxQ is a provider of advanced insulated packaging systems for safe transportation of temperature-sensitive products. The company was originally founded in 2012. When we started off, me and my co-founders Balaji Jaikumar and Shoaib Sheikh, we had an idea for an advanced insulation material which has high strength and high insulation rating combined in one single material, and we were trying to apply the material for an aerospace application. But when we tried to get some funding around it from NASA for building the application, one of the reviewers came back saying you should look at life science packaging. So that kind of pivoted us in the life science packaging direction. And since then we did a bunch of R&D backed up by OCAST, National Science Foundation, and that allowed us to complete the development of our technology, the material science technology, and allowed us to create packaging products in the life science segment. Today we operate specifically in the blood packaging market within the life science industry. So we don't believe in the one-size-fits-all model. Every payload needs a slightly different packaging system. For instance, a red blood cell needs to be protected between 1 to 6 degrees Celsius during transport, while platelets have to be kept between 20 to 24 degrees Celsius during transport. So both of them, they require specific packaging design. Where MaxQ comes in, what we do is we work with our customers. Say we work with a blood bank, look at their requirements, look at their operation, look at their logistics footprint, and then we design a system around what the payload looks like. So we pick the payload, say for example red blood cells, and then we build a packaging system around the red blood cells. If you want to transport 10 red blood cells for that particular supply chain, our packaging system is built around the 10 red blood cell payload volume. So we have thermal chambers in our facility. These are environmental chambers that can simulate different ambient conditions. The chamber can go from a negative 40 degrees to a positive 50 degrees Celsius. So, and we can cycle day, night, Arizona, Alaska, Oklahoma, so we can simulate all sorts of different conditions. And so every time we design a system, design a pack out around a payload, we test that system in our chambers. And that allows us to produce scientific, independent validation data point, which then the user, like the blood bank, can use to incorporate into their systems. Our products cover about 40% to 50% of blood supply chain today, and over the next 7 months, we have 8 new products coming out to the market that allow us to cover the entire blood supply chain. So we will be able to provide packaging to move blood from all the way from a donor to a recipient. In any time the blood moves, we'll have a packaging system that's uniquely designed for that particular application. And that will put us as the only company in the United States that offers that kind of a packaging service to the blood banking market.